I'll show you how to pair your mobile. So from any screen, you see there audio video, we'll go on to nav. So from any screen onto audio video, it says please connect to device. To find audio device, press change device. So we'll just first of all make sure that Bluetooth is on. So Bluetooth on there. Settings, change device. So change device. Please select a search option below. Device to vehicle, vehicle to device. So we'll do device to vehicle. It's showing up hands-free already there. Please use your audio device to search for this vehicle. Land Rover will remain discoverable for 2 minutes 50 seconds. So it's changed to Land Rover. Click on that. Just thinking about it. Asking me to put a PIN number in. I'll put 0000 for ease, and then pair. Here we go. Barry's iPhone 10 is trying to pair. Do you want to add this device? Yes. No. Okay. That's it. Device paired. I don't want it to allow my favorites and contacts to sync, but you will. I won't be using the car again, but that's that done.